Hey, Assalamualaikum. In person, I hope you will jam and well. Thank you so much for playing my videos. I will telling about internal audit findings. So, you will tell me what define these finding systems and what's the name in these findings. You will first visit my YouTube channel. Please press this subscribe bell icon and press this notification bell icon and let's get telling about what is findings name is internal audit. A internal audit is a individual factory systems and this audit conducted by QMS team and product safety teams. So this findings name is buyer, size level and care level, mix up level. Many size found this similar place and similar police. So is these areas many different follies and many different size, but buyer requirement is one folly one size. When a operator attends this level, he is kept in one size levels, but find out this many size level in operator and in process line. It's a major and critical findings in inline. I hope you understand this findings name. It's a major and critical findings in garments industries. When you attaching this small size and different is could not be after this another sizes. Thank you so much watching these videos. I hope you clear it.